Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. I'm Emmanuel, the Ultimate Gardener. My goal is to help you guys grow in the garden industry and help you guys become an Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting sprouting video, I'll be unboxing a hibiscus that I got from the Hollywood Hibiscus company. I know the type of hibiscus here. It's called the Rico Suave Hibiscus from the Hollywood Hibiscus company, and I'm really excited. This came in today, so I'm really excited to know what's in here and how it looks. Of course, right now we're entering spring. There's only a few days until spring, you guys. I'm really excited. Of course, there's gonna be some type of temperature change because where they come from, of course, there's going to be colder climates from here than Florida. So I'm excited to see how the plant arrived. So let's go ahead and jump right into this unboxing video. So guys, we completely unboxed this hibiscus, you guys. Once again, the Rico Suave Hibiscus from the Hollywood Hibiscus company. You guys, this came in perfect. Such a full hibiscus, you guys. And as you guys may or may not know, hibiscus is my #1 favorite plant of all time, you guys. Here in Florida, you can find them anywhere you go. So one of my favorite plants, you guys. If you haven't seen the collaboration I did with Jennifer from Forever Blooms, we talked about our favorite plant from the last year 2020. She showcased the hellebores and I showcased hibiscus because I truly enjoy hibiscus, you guys, and that's why I was really excited when they were offering to send me one. So if you want to see that video link will be up here for you guys to check out. Highly recommend it. So now we're gonna go ahead and get into detail on what this hibiscus is, you guys. So there's a ton of special things about this hibiscus, you guys. The flower is the first thing, you guys. Such a unique flower, you guys. Never seen something like this. So once they said and offered this type of hibiscus, I had to grab it because it was some type of unique thing that I never seen before. So the light, of course, here in FL, hibiscus adores the light, you guys. They prefer to be in a full sun area. They don't have to be watered to a lot because they're used to here and they tolerate a lot, and they're very versatile here in the FL. So really excited about that. So the bloom time is the last frost date, meaning once spring comes, it's gonna start blooming, so prepare yourself. So I'm really excited, you guys. Came in such a full form, you guys. And because it came all the way from Texas, I thought that it was gonna be sort of like the hydrangea that I did from another company video. But this came full, you guys. Really excited. So amazing, you guys. I am lost of words at how this looks, and let alone that they sent me their company hat, you guys. That makes it completely even more better, you guys, because when companies just send me hats without me knowing, it's amazing because I had multiple companies sent me hats before, so it's like really exciting. And most of the companies that sent me hats I work with, and yes, I do work with the Hollywood Hibiscus company, so that's such an amazing thing, you guys. So yeah, that's basically it for this video, you guys. Really enjoy it. I'll be leaving all the links towards the Hollywood Hibiscus company down below in the description box below. So let's go ahead and wrap up this video for you guys. So guys, that's it for this exciting sprouting video. Once more, a huge shout out to the Hollywood Hibiscus company, you guys. Highly recommend them. If you want to go check them out, all their links are down below. Highly recommend them. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out, just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Thank you guys all for watching, and don't forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.